Okay, hello guys. So today I'm in McDonald's with my Henry. Yeah, you can be able to see him well. Yeah, let's see. So we're at 5:08. Yeah, Henry looks. Let's have a look at Henry. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Henry looks cute. Hang on. Yeah, I don't even know why I did that. Okay. Yeah. So I ordered a McChicken. Yeah. And Henry's just gonna eat dust as usual. Yeah. So I'm not sure how long this video may take, but don't you worry about that. Alright. Besides, we're happy. Yeah. Let's shoot a Mackey's. Hang on, let me try to do a stop motion. Yeah, it kind of feels like we're in Henry's actually. Wee. Yeah. So let's see, Henry XL Plus is NRV 3070-11. Okay. This one has to be green on the left, just light. But I don't care, do I? Okay. Yeah. Henry's and Mackey's. Tell you what, how about we put him somewhere there? No way, he's not gonna do well there. Okay. I have a good idea. How about we put Henry with the Oh no, he fell! Where is he? Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. There he is. He's right there on the ground.
He wanted to clean McDonald's floor. That's why he went to the ground.
Yeah, but I don't see a plug socket anywhere, man. We got ketchup and barbecue sauce. Anyone's damn.
No,
Yeah.
You can't eat barbecue sauce. You're gonna get sick.
No, cannot eat it because he's not plugged in.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
How silly of me to think that you could eat barbecue sauce when it's unplugged.
Yeah, it has to be plugged into power first.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. This video will get transferred onto the iPod because it ran out of battery when I told my mom to charge it, but she refused. I was so annoyed.
Maybe she forgot.
Yeah, but maybe. So, but don't worry, my dad is going to transfer this video onto the iPod, so I'll be able to watch it. And then I'm going to have 10 videos on the iPod. How exciting is that? But I don't know if people will be seeing me right now. They might think I'm like a YouTuber, but I actually am a YouTuber. And my own YouTube channel is called Matthew's Adventures, where I'll take my Henry on adventures. Really?
You have to like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's why I say that. Yeah. So I've only done 10 videos. I think there's gonna be like, I don't know, but how come how come Henry's like normal when he's not filmed, but when he's filmed he's like turned into a darker shade of red? But the switch area looks fine still. But still, he looks okay. So the difference are he's a bit darker red on the screen than the outside.
Thank you.
Okay.
Food is here.
Well, I'm now going to start eating, so hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Why is it not working? It's not even pausing!